Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our Naturalhub, where we dive into everything health and wellness. Today, we're spotlighting a crucial player in our nutrition, vitamin B6. We'll uncover its benefits, the best food sources, and the recommended daily dosages. So, make sure to stick around till the end and let's get healthy together. Vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine, is a water-soluble vitamin that plays a significant role in over 100 enzyme reactions in the body. It's essential for protein metabolism, creating neurotransmitters, and even gene expression. But why exactly should you care about getting enough B6? Let's find out. Vitamin B6 isn't just a background player, it's essential for your health. First up, it's vital for brain development and function, and it helps your body make the hormones serotonin and norepinephrine, which influence your mood, and melatonin, which helps regulate your internal clock. Studies have shown that B6 can help reduce symptoms of depression and improve mood. It's also critical for preventing clogged arteries and reducing the risk of heart disease by helping to lower homocysteine levels in the blood. For those of you looking to boost your immune system, B6 is your go-to vitamin, as it supports the production of white blood cells. Pregnant women should note that B6 can help with morning sickness, making it a double win for health and comfort. So where can you get this wonderful vitamin? Luckily, B6 is found in a variety of foods. For the meat lovers out there, turkey breast and lean pork loin are excellent sources. Vegetarians, don't worry, you can load up on B6 with chickpeas, bananas, and fortified cereals. And let's not forget about fish like salmon and tuna, which are not only great for B6, but also give you a healthy dose of omega-3 fatty acids. Remember, incorporating a variety of these foods into your diet can help ensure you're getting enough B6, along with other essential nutrients. Getting the right amount of vitamin B6 is key, but how much do you actually need? Well, it varies by age, gender, and other health factors. Generally, adults aged 1950 need about 1.3 milligrams per day. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should aim for a little more, around 1.9 to 2.0 milligrams daily. As always, it's best to try to meet these requirements through your diet, but supplements are also an option if you find you're not getting enough through food alone. And there you have it, a full rundown on vitamin B6. We've covered its benefits, where to find it, and how much you need each day. Remember, a balanced diet is the best way to ensure you're getting all the nutrients your body needs to thrive. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more health insights, and share with your friends and family to spread the wellness. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video, where we'll explore another essential nutrient that keeps us at our best. Stay healthy and take care.